Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, the other day I put a poll up to see who wanted to do what on the video. Well, to see what you wanted me to do. Home cooking, ready meal things, or a bit of both. And to my shock, a bit of both won, which is, I put it up there, I think it's 72% or something. I thought a lot of people would have picked home cooking. So there you go, you see. People like a bit of a variety. So what I've decided I'm going to do, because a bit of both won, every time I do a frozen meal, well, not every time, but 90% of the time, 90% of the time I do a frozen meal, I'm going to put it up for dinner time, and then I'll put a cooking video up for the evening, if you get what I mean, guys. Obviously, I won't do both in the same day. It'll be like, I'll do it one day, the frozen meal or ready meal, and put it up the next day with a meal on the end on the evening. So then that's going to please everybody, what you should do, because you either watch it or you don't you? And anyway, on to today. I'm having, well, Nat and the lads are having a jacket potato. I'm having pork fillet with vegetables. That's what I'm having today, guys. So let me show you what we're going to do. So there's my pork fillet from Aldi. This is 30% off. The various price range from £3 to 6 or 7. This was £3.96p for, what's that? Just over 500 gram. I'm going to have half of it, guys, for me. And I've also got a teaspoon of cumin, a tablespoon of paprika, teaspoon of cayenne pepper, going to have a bit of garlic and a quarter cup of yoghurt with just a squirt of oil. That is for my marinade for my pork, which I want to get on with now. So guys, we're going to cut it in half. I'm going to save the other half. I might have it tomorrow or something. We'll get it out. We will pat it dry. Keeping the fat on. Want a bit of fat. I know I'm doing a little bit healthier, but I still want a bit of fat. I'm not into that moment yet where it's all or nothing. Well, I'm never going to be in that moment anyway. Never be in that moment. I've got to have my goodies. I'm looking forward to Sunday, to be honest with you. Because on Sunday, guys, I'm having myself cheese and potato pie for my Sunday dinner. You got empty bab. Oh, yes. Right, I'm going to cut this into slices, guys. Roughly around the same size. Instead of having a proper Sunday dinner, I'm going to have cheese and potato pie. Because it's my rest day, I can eat what I want, and I need some sort of carbs, really. So, I'm going to fill my boots. There we go, that'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 there. Get them in a bowl. I'll remove that a minute, I'll wrap that up. Okay guys, I'll put that away. Now let's get a quarter cup of natural yoghurt. It's only the fat-free one, this. In there. Bit of garlic. Squirt of garlic. Then your seasonings in. Cayenne pepper, paprika, bit of cumin. I'm going to have just a couple of sprays of oil. And we're going to mix it together. Get all that goodness together, guys. Smelling the meat, Rocks? You smelling the meat? Yeah, so thank you, everybody, for voting. Everyone who took part. I was quite surprised when I seen it. I thought, oh. And I like doing the best of both for different people, you know. I'm just glad just froze ready meals on its own didn't win, that's all. Right guys, I'm going to wrap that up. I'm going to put that in the fridge until I'm ready to cook, about an hour. I'm not going to show you the jacket potatoes because I've done them before. I'll show you the end when that's eating hers. But anyway, we'll put them in the fridge. Okay guys, this has been about an hour now. The good old pork. Oh yes. Oh God. There it is. Oh, that smells nice. That smells very nice. Now, we want some foil. Grab a bit of foil. This is going to be I can't get my words out. This is going to be steamed, guys, by the way. We're going to start off with, I've got myself some frozen veg. Because I thought I'm going a little bit healthier sometimes, then I might as well get frozen veg. So we've got peppers. We're going to get some of them on the bottom to put the pork on. Something like that. I'm not measuring it, guys. I'm having a whole pack of sliced mushrooms. I bought a sliced because it was just handy, it saved me messing around, that's all. It was the same price, I think, 90 something p. We're going to get the pork in. This is going to be delicious, look. This is only for me, by the way. Going to fill my old belly, this is. Get on there. And wrap it up like a parcel. Curl it over. So we don't get any leakage. Not too tight, nice and loose sort of thing. There's that. Get it on the tray. Onto the veg. Same again, get yourself some foil. You could do it all in one, but I'm going to do it separate for a few different tastes. So I've got myself cauliflower. I won't have that one. Like that. I will have myself some broccoli. And I've also got some broccoli tenderloins, which I like as well, so I'm going to have some of that as well. Couple of broccoli tenderloins in there. Ones that are loose, that aren't stuck together. And we'll finish off. Put them that side. With a little bit of spinach, eh? Put 2 spinach in. A little bit of oil. And I'm going to use some garlic and herb seasoning, guys. That's what I'm using. Sprinkle some of that over. This was from Aldi, by the way. I've got them new in Aldi. I can't remember if it was 69 or 99 or something like that. So it's first time trying it. I have put some on, and that's jacket potato as well. So the one from B&M is delicious. So I'm hoping that one's just as good. And wrap this up into a parcel. And these are both going to go in the oven. Well, until the meat's cooked, I reckon probably, what, 30, 40 minutes? Jacket's bud for Nat. How is it, babe? Hot. Leave you a minute, yeah? Leave you a minute, guys. I'm getting mine out.
That's delicious, thank you. Mm. That mince is nice.
That mince nice? Mm. Good. That's what I like to hear.
It's got a nice little kick to it.
Fair play. Then I had chilli and bean. No, not chilli bean. Chilli and cheese, but no beans.
Yep.
Right, let's have a look at this. Let me turn it round that way so we can see it properly.
Nice. I was craving a jacket potato.
You was, weren't you? I didn't really fancy one. Let's have a look at the veg first, guys. Out. Oh, yes. There it is. Oh, yes. Look at that beauty. There's your veg. Now the main ingredients. Been in about 40 minutes, so. Oh, it smells nice when I'm opening this. Out. Oh, yes. That meat's done. Yes, that meat's done. And all that flavouring. Right, let me dish up. Take it by the noise, you're enjoying that, sweetheart, yeah?
Yep.
Well, let's get some broccoli on. Not broccoli, cauliflower, I mean. Your words today. I've always been calling them broccoli, what do you call them? Broccoli limes, did I, or something? instead of broccoli stems. Me bloody words. Broccoli stems. There. We'll get some good old spinach. I do like a bit of spinach. I don't have it often. I do find quite a lot, you know, with all this. When you buy frozen veg, it can go a bit soggy, but it seems to be in here okay. I mean, that might just be me, but you know, that's why I usually just have fresh.
That chili's really nice.
That chili really nice, babe.
Yeah, really nice today.
Wait, straight up. Mushrooms. And peppers on top. Goodness. Now that is a bowl of food. And we'll top it off, guys, with just a little bit of gravy. Not a lot. Just like that. Just to soak up into the veg. And there we go then. So guys, what do you reckon? I need a bit more gravy, to be honest with you. Well, I've got a bit more, so I can always stick a bit more in if I want. Oh yeah, that's stuck in right in, ain't you, babe?
Yeah.
Getting right in there. I was editing a bit of the video while this was cooking. For some reason it's a bit dark. I don't know why. The video's dark. I'm gonna have to invest in some new lighting, I think. Maybe that's on its way out or something. No, I don't mean these lights, I mean the thingy light.
It does look a bit dim, actually.
It looks dim.
It does, I was
so
thinking that.
Normally
it's
on its way out.
blasting in your eyes, isn't it?
Your eyes, yeah.
Yeah, maybe the bulb's on its
I do
way out.
apologise, guys, on that. It was a bit dim, dull, whatever. I'll have to get some new lighting. Anyway, let's get on with my food before it gets cold. Look at all this goodness. Pork first. Oh, a bit of gravy on there and all. It's got a kick. It's got a kick. With that teaspoon of cayenne in. Mushrooms. Love a mushroom, mate. Try the broccolis and that. Cooked absolutely perfect. A nice little bit of garlic on there as well. Yes. I'm well enjoying this, really am. And that is because she's dancing, ain't you? Do you like this? Dancing. Show me dancing, Bab.
No.
You know, you have something good to eat, you go like that. Ain't you, darling? Bless you.
I've been craving a jacket potato for days.
You have, yeah, you've been saying for days, haven't you? I was going to have one, but I thought, no, I'm going to have this.
Thank you. Oh, it's delicious.
I'm glad you enjoy it, darling. I'm glad you enjoy it. So, guys, there we go. Thank you all for voting. So at least now I know. So people come in and moan that they don't like that and that. Well, it's the majority have picked, haven't they? So everyone had a chance to pick, didn't they? And vote. So thank you all. Thank you all for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. And if you want to do this as a meal for the family, you'd be laughing, wouldn't you?
Oh, that would well fill you up, that would, wouldn't it?
This is going to fill meal. For one meal a day, definitely. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.